Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is pineapple kesari. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. To this, add 5 to 6 cashews and 10 raisins. Once the cashews and raisins are fried well, take this out and set this aside. Now add 1 cup of chopped pineapples in the same pan and saute them well. This has to be sauteed for about 2 to 3 minutes and later you can take it out and set this aside. Nuts and pineapples are ready. Next, it is time to roast the rava. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee to the pan. Add 1 cup of suji, that is semolina or rava. Now roast this well. Roast this in ghee for about 2 or 3 minutes till the color is slightly changed. This is perfect. Now we can take this out and set this aside. Now add 1.5 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the roasted rava and give a nice stir. No lumps should be formed, so give a nice stir. Once it is mixed properly, add the food color. This is perfect and thick now. At this stage, add 1 cup of sugar. Now let the sugar melt. Once the sugar has completely melted, add the sauteed pineapples. Stir continuously till this gets thick. Once it starts thickening, you can add 2 teaspoons of ghee to this. Our kesari is almost ready. To give the finishing touch, add the cashews and raisins to this. If you want more ghee, you can add more ghee at this stage. Now grease a cup with ghee and transfer the kesari into it. You can top the kesari with more nuts and even tutti frutti. Our pineapple kesari is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.